Elevated on an acre lot, this almost 6,000 square feet of opulence in the gated Talus community at True North is surrounded by the most beautiful sun-baked boulders and desert mountain views. Hi, I'm Anne-Marie Crumbie with Realtor. Here are my top 5 reasons why I love this house and why you shouldn't miss out on the opportunity to call it home. Number 1, open concept floor plan. From the moment you enter through the personal private gates, you'll be wowed by the oversized 4-car garage and the solid wood double doors as they welcome you home to the soaring ceilings, gleaming travertine floors, wall of windows showcasing the desert mountain views straight through the retracting doors that extends the indoors, outdoor to the shaded patio. Number 2, Gourmet Kitchen. When we speak of the kitchen being the heart of the home, this rings true here. With the solid wood custom cabinetry, an abundance of granite countertops, and upscale Thermador appliances, you'll love being in this kitchen. With not just one, but 2 center islands for family and friends to gather around, plus the adjacent breakfast nook comes complete with one of the 4 ledge stone fireplaces that perfectly complement the natural surroundings. Number 3, live like royalty. Escape to the private master retreat with unrivaled finishes. Luxurious spa-like master bath with an elevated jetted tub, dual sink vanity, spacious walk-in shower with dual range shower heads, and a palatial closet equipped with built-in washer-dryer for ease and convenience. Number 4, flexible living spaces. This home offers 3 additional split ensuite bedrooms that gives everyone their own private space, including an attached guest casita, perfect for multi-generational families living under one roof, or more space for a home office, playroom, or even a second master suite. But my favorite space on this level is the private view deck of the master suite with views of Pinnacle Peak and True North fairways. Number 5, convenient location. From the moment you enter the gated community of this desirable True North location, you'll be just a stone throw away from area golf courses, world-renowned restaurants, shopping, and a hop, skip, and jump to Loop 101 for easy commuting around the Valley of the Sun and only 35 minutes to the airport. It's the location you want at a price you can afford for the lifestyle you dream of. Don't you agree? Give me a call, Agent Crumbie, 480-719-0779, or visit us online at agentcrumbie.realtor.